Hi, I'm excited to share Lumine Organics NAD supplement. It supports cellular and healthy aging. With natural ingredients, it's a great addition to your routine.
If a supplement promises younger looking skin, higher energy, and anti-aging benefits in just a few weeks, it definitely deserves a closer look, and that's exactly what we did with Lumine Organics NAD. This supplement claims to boost NAD plus levels in the body, which are essential for cellular repair, energy production, and overall vitality. And while that sounds impressive, the real question is whether it truly delivers noticeable results. The formula includes ingredients commonly associated with cellular energy support and skin health, and from what we observed, some users reported feeling slightly improved energy levels and a subtle improvement in skin appearance over time, though the changes were not dramatic or instant. The product positions itself as a longevity and anti-aging solution, but there is limited publicly available clinical evidence specifically supporting this exact formula, which makes some of the bold marketing promises feel a bit ahead of the proof. Another concern is the lack of clear product imagery and transparent presentation, which can make it harder for potential buyers to fully evaluate what they are purchasing. On the positive side, the ingredient profile aligns with current interest in NAD plus supplementation and cellular health, but expectations should remain realistic since results appear gradual rather than transformative. Overall, Lumine Organics NAD Plus comes across as a supplement with potential supportive benefits rather than a miracle anti-aging breakthrough, making it a product that may interest those exploring wellness and longevity options, but one that should be approached with informed expectations and careful consideration before making a decision.